We're going green.
Oh, okay.
From where?
Wrestling.
That's where.
You raise your knuckles up and then you go to the race there. Oh, yeah.
All right, here we go. We got the 85 is in the lead right now. Brent Duty. So if you've got the 85 Frisbee, you've got it. But I just have been informed. Whoever happens to be the last to place truck out there, if you have the Frisbee for the last place truck, Western Aircraft Maintenance in this way is going to give you $10. So there you go. First place right now is still the 58 right now of Calvin Furman, actually. That changed. Wow, this is going to be a good race. Second place is Brian Rudy in the 18. Third place is the 85. Oh, a little spin out there and a little hit. Oh, that's going to cost him. The 85 of Brent Moody in the lead. The 88's in there, spins out in the number 1. Now trying to get back in there, just misses the 26 of Ricky Bobby. I love calling him Ricky Bobby, I tell you.
Chase him down, Sam.
All right, so right now the 85 of Brent Moody is the leader. In second spot is the number 7, Curtis Bigelow. And third spot is the 26 of Rick Newman. Kicking up some dust there, taking a little bit too far on the inside there, number 1. Brent Moody in the 85 is the man to beat right now. Hopefully you have the Frisbee for number 85. There, the 88 just about spun out, gets in the infield and gets it back on the track. A little loose there on number 2, but gets her going again. Battle there, second and third. The number 7, here's Bigelow. He's got the second spot. Rick Newman trying to take it away. Flying around on that first place position right now still is the 85 of Brent Moody. Moody, thank you. Always like to help. Brent Moody's got the lead and he's going to try to keep it. Rick Newman trying to find the inside lane on that quarter number 2 on the back straight, and does. And takes over second spot. Moody still has the lead. Rick Newman's trying to catch up. Trying to make a race of it here. The 85's got about a quarter track lead, maybe. Rick Newman trying to make a race of this, gets a little bit wide on the corner number 2. As the guys are starting to cut a little bit inside that first corner, which kicks up all this dust. Brent Moody in the 85 has the white flag, 1 lap remaining. They come around the back straight into corners 3 and 4. The 85. Brent Moody's got it. 85 is the winner. Second spot is the 26 of Rick Newman. Third spot is the 58 Calvin Furman. In fourth spot is the number 7 Curtis Bigelow, and in fifth